Hi, I'm Janos, and in this video I will show you how to increase trust with every email you send. Thanks to email signatures, thousands of customers and business partners can see your excellent ratings every day, making it a great tool for promoting your company and your ratings. Here is how you can easily insert them into various mailing softwares. Gmail. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button, open Gmail and log in. In the top right, click Settings and then See All Settings. Paste your signature into the Signature section of the settings. At the bottom of the page, click Save Changes. Outlook. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button, open Outlook and log in. Go to the Settings and then Mail and then Signature menu. Click New and give a name to your signature, and then click the plus icon to add the new signature. In Mac, paste your signature into the signature box, Ctrl-V or Command-V. Click on the clipboard that popped up and select Keep Source Formatting, pasting option in Windows. Right-click the Edit Signature box and choose Keep Source Formatting, pasting option and press OK. Apple Mail. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button. In Apple Mail, click on the Preferences Mac command or choose Mail and then Preferences and then Signatures. Choose Google to add the signature to all accounts or choose a specific account. Click the plus icon to add a new signature and give a name to it. Uncheck the box Always Match My Default Message Font. Paste your signature into the Edit Signature box, Ctrl-V or Command-V. Important, when you paste your signature, it may look like a blank image with the wrong text. It's okay, compose a new email to see your new signature. Yahoo Mail. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button, open Yahoo and log in. In the top right corner, navigate to the Settings and then More Settings, and then Writing Emails and then Signature menu. Click the checkbox button opposite your email and paste the signature, Ctrl-V or Command-V, into the text area. iPhone or iPad. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button. On your iPhone or iPad, navigate to Settings and then Mail and then Signature menu. Paste your rich HTML signature. You should see your new signature when you compose a new message on your iPhone or iPad now. Go back to the Mail app and try sending an email from the account that you installed the signature on. Outlook.com or Office 365. Click on the Copy to Clipboard button, go to Office 365 or Outlook.com website and log in. In the top right, click Settings, go to Mail, Compose and Reply menu. Choose Compose Messages in HTML format in the Message Format section. Paste your signature, Ctrl-V or Command-V, into the Email Signature section. Click the Save button. We hope you liked this video and found it easy to set up your own email signature widget. If you would like to get to know more about TrustIndex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the TrustIndex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your TrustIndex account.